first question that I want to ask, and I think that this goes probably to most of the people out there. Okay, Charbel, what do you auto body guys do with all the money that you make from the repairs? And
right.
most people think that a guy that does repairs knows auto body.
Yeah, that's a big misconception out there, and maybe we're just gonna clarify a couple of things today.
Yeah. Well, I made the mistake, used to make the mistake all the time when I first started. Somebody would come in and they'd have a dent from a grocery cart in the parking lot, or somebody hit them in the parking lot, and they'd come. And I remember one came with their Mercedes, and I said, yeah, that looks like $100. Like, it's no big deal. Just go up the guy up the street and he'll give you a proper quote. And like an hour later, the customer returned and said, I have an estimate here for $5,000. Like, what the hell? That's not $100, Mike. And I'm like, wow, okay. Lesson learned. I will never do that again.
Yeah, that's quite the lesson. Basically, in the body world, turn on the light switch in the shop. It's just $100.
Right.
With all the overhead we're dealing with.